Welcome to my live stream. Today, extremely sorry. We are going to explore the United States of America in full details. So let's begin. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notification for more amazing content. Okay, now let's start. The United States of America, capital Washington D.C., largest city New York. For one second. Okay. Form of the government, federal presidential constitutional republic, population 314 crore, 5 lakhs almost, currency US dollar. The USA is the fourth largest country in the world, both in area and population. It is the larger than the whole Europe. The population is over 314 crore 50 lakhs inhabitants of different races and colors. The people of USA are descended from various people who migrate to North America from all over the world at different times, bringing their costumes, language, and national characteristics. English is the official language of the country, and Spanish is the second spoken language. But many other languages are spoken in the USA, like German, Italian, and Chinese. What, Chinese? Really? Chinese? Okay, now the USA is the federal republic consisting of 50 states and one federal district and District of Columbia, DC. 48 states are on the mainland between Canada and Mexico. Alaska, the 49th state, is the separate from the rest by Canada, while Hawaii, the 50th state, is the Pacific Ocean and was the last to become part of USA. Each state has a state capital and its own government that makes its own laws. Okay, next. Here is the map, American's map. Washington, that's like the flag. The national flag of the USA is called the Stars and Stripes. Okay, this is the main point. The national flag of the USA is called the Stars and Stripes. The 30, 13 stripes and represent the 13 colonies that form the USA, while the 50 stars are the present 50 states. Every star has meaning. Okay, now geography. The borders of the USA are Canada in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the west, Mexico in the south, and the Atlantic Ocean in the east. The USA has varied landscape with wide plains, high mountains, deserts, forests, numerous rivers and lakes. All countries' big lakes, the Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie, and Lake Huron. Okay, that is the map of America. The general shape of the country is that a huge basin between where is the Black Hills, Chicago, Detroit, Banks. Okay, now the general shape of country is that a huge basin between two great mountain clines, the Rocky Mountains in the west and the Appalachian Mountains in the east. The Great Plains in the central area are crossed by the two largest rivers in the USA, the Mississippi and the Missouri rivers together, and Mississippi and Missouri make the four largest river system in the world. This is the point, Mississippi and Missouri. The northeast area of the country has got the largest concentration of the industrial and commercial cities, including New York, Chicago, Philadelphia, Detroit, and Boston. The capital city of the USA is Washington, D.C., but New York is the largest city. Okay, next, agriculture. Agriculture and breeding. Almost 19% of the USA dedicated to agriculture and breeding. Thanks to the variety of climate, the products are extremely diverse. In the Great Plains, we have cultivation of corn, in the South cotton, tobacco, sugar beet. In California, we have orchids, vineyards, and citrus. In the Rocky Mountain area, we mostly have breeding. Okay, next, industry. The USA has a large quantity of energetic resources like oil, steam, oil, feeds, and gas. Oh God. The most important are steel iron industry and machinery industry. Near Chicago, there are big car industry like Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler. Transportation and tourism. Transportation are easy thanks to an enormous road and railway networks. The USA has the second place after finance for importance of tourism. Across the USA, time and climate. The mainland of the USA is nearly 40 times the size of United Kingdom. It is so large that there is a time difference of 6 hours between the most western point in Hawaii and the most eastern point in Maine. You pass through four time zones as you cross the USA on the mainland. From the east and west, they are eastern on the east coast, central in the central area, and Texas mountain in the states of the Rocky Mountains, and Pacific in the states of the Pacific and Nevada. The difference from one zone and the next one is 1 hour. So when it's 8 a.m. in Washington, it's 5 a.m. in San Francisco. You set your watch back 1 hour if you travel from east to west. You set it ahead 1 hour if you travel from east to east, west to east. Traveling by air, you can cross several time zones in just a few hours. Travelers suffer from a sort of tiredness called jet lag because of the time changes. And so, climate. Next is climate. The climate varies through the huge territory of USA, which has regions with every type of landscape. In the southeast, the states of Arizona and New Mexico have large areas of deserts, while in the north, Alaska has an Arctic climate, and the southeast around the Gulf of Mexico has humid subtropical climate. Along the western coast, the temperature changes little from winter to summer, but in the northern and central parts of the country, violent extremes are common. Here, winters are freezing and snowy, while summers can be very hot and dry. Many cities, such as Chicago and New York, suffer heavy heat waves in the summer. In this season, the coastline on the Caribbean Sea often suffers from violent hurricanes and tornadoes that cause serious damage. Hurricanes are violent storms and winds that can blow at 250 to 350 km per hour, bring torrential rain to destroy everything in their path. Most of California suffer from earthquakes. They are particularly active along a San Andreas Fault, a large break that divides California from Arizona. That is the New York City. That is the uptown, midtown, or downtown. Okay. Next, New York.